Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, what I want to do is share with you the best way to make rosemary water, and I want to show you the most effective way on how to use it so that you can get the amazing hair growth results that you are after. So with that being said, let's get into this video. So many of you following me on my hair growth journey know that I lost my hair due to a hair loss condition called alopecia areata. I lost my hair, however, I was able to regrow my hair, and now today my hair is longer, stronger, thicker than it has ever been before. So one of the reasons why I believe I was able to grow my hair and get the amazing results that I have gotten is due to one ingredient, and that is called rosemary. Now, I was using rosemary in my products on a daily basis, and I noticed the amazing results. Now, there are so many reasons why I decided to add rosemary into my hair growth regimen, but one of the main reasons is because it has carnosic acid. Now, carnosic acid is great for tissue repair, nerve damage repair, and circulation. Now, this is really important because if your scalp is healthy, you are going to see amazing hair growth. Now, not only did it contain that active ingredient, but it also has been proven in so many clinical studies that it actually works to regrow the hair back. So in one famous study, rosemary was head-to-head against one of the most renowned hair growth medications that has been prescribed by doctors worldwide. And when rosemary went up against that medication, it did just as well, and in some cases even better than what is being prescribed to people with hair loss conditions. Now, one of the studies that really impressed me was when rosemary was used on people with androgenic alopecia. Now, androgenic alopecia is due to testosterone, and what rosemary did in those patients was that it helped to reduce that conversion, which helped people to keep hair on their head longer or really help them to get hair growth in places where they lost their hair. Another study that impressed me was people who had other forms of alopecia, such as myself, and people who had hair loss due to hormonal changes or hormonal imbalances. So what the study proved was that when rosemary was used on a consistent, regular basis, people who had any form of hair loss in those worlds were able to keep the hair on their head longer, as well as they were able to regrow hair that was lost due to those hormonal changes. So not only was rosemary used to help people with really serious hair loss conditions, we can be superficial for a minute as well. And there has been studies that have proven that rosemary helps to reduce grays. It helps to add shine and sheen back into the hair. But there's also studies that prove it helps to get your hair fuller and thicker. So with all of these wonderful benefits, what I want to do is show you exactly how to make rosemary water. So before I jump into that, if anybody has used rosemary in any of their products, please leave that in the comments below. I would love to hear your experience with rosemary. Did it help you? Did it not help you? Are you going to try it? Let me know down below. So what you're going to want to do is bring 4 cups of water to a boil, rinse your rosemary leaves, and then place them directly into the boiling water. Let this steep for 15 to 20 minutes and then strain the water. Once it has cooled down, pour it into a spray bottle. Now for best results, add 1 drop of rosemary essential oil and 1 drop of tea tree essential oil and shake well. Then spray the mixture onto your hair and scalp and massage it in for 3 to 5 minutes. This is how you're going to get amazing hair growth results, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or if you plan on using rosemary, leave it down in the comments below. I love to hear from you. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video if you enjoyed this content, and if you want more of it, share this video with anybody who needs to see it. But most of all, thank you for watching another one of my videos. Don't be a stranger. Let's stay connected, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.